Hey, Johnson County,
We received our property tax statement in the mail.
but we are confused.
What does everything mean?
That's a great question. Let's walk through how to read your property tax statement. At the very top of your statement, you will find the stub. The stub is important for staff to process your payment properly. It's not necessary, but sending the stub with your payment is the best way to make sure that your payment is applied to your property. If you have moved, make sure to tick the checkbox at the bottom of the stub to let us know that you have changed your mailing address. You have the option to pay your taxes in full in September, but you can also make 2 payments. The second payment is paid in March. If you decide to make 2 payments, you will not receive another bill, so make sure you keep your statement and set a reminder for the second payment. Next is the ownership information section. This section indicates who the deed holder is according to county records, the parcel that is being paid, the tax year being paid, and the taxing district. After that is the property location and a condensed legal description. Although an address is listed on the stub, that address is the preferred mailing address and is not necessarily the address associated with the property tax. To the right of the property information is the tax computation box. This section focuses on the assessed value of the property, including your land, dwelling, and any additional buildings on your property. After that, the rollback factor determined by the state of Iowa is applied to the total value, which determines the gross taxable value. This is the taxable amount prior to applying any credits. The total combined levy rate is the total cumulative tax rate requested by the taxing authorities against your property. You can find a breakdown of taxing authorities and services that collect taxes from your property in the lower box labeled How Your Taxes Are Distributed. These taxing authorities differ depending on the location of your property. Your property taxes help fund schools, community colleges, and first responders like Johnson County Ambulance, firefighters, and law enforcement. Your taxes also fund streets and roads, bridges, trails, parks, and utilities. Another thing you will find in the tax distribution section is the brucellosis state tax. That pays for expenditures related to the testing of animals for brucellosis and tuberculosis, which helps keep all of us safe. Looking at the computation box, your total combined levy rate is a percentage of the net taxable value, which produces the gross tax for your property. Credits are applied to the gross taxes, and your total taxes and fees are listed in this last row. The current year amount is on the left column, and the previous year is on the right. The house tax line is to provide the amount of tax to the owner of an agricultural property who isolates house taxes for income purposes. If any additional tax charges like special assessments, tax sales, or delinquent taxes are available for your property, they are listed in the final section. For the most up-to-date information, visit johnsoncountyiowa.gov/Department of Treasurer.